Welcome to the April 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. This preview is brought to you by Biomicrobics. Biomicrobics solutions are pre-engineered, pre-packaged, and scalable. Visit biomicrobics.com. On the cover, meet Terry Novak, the compassionate backbone of rural North Dakota's wastewater industry. From humble livestock farm beginnings to leading Novak backhoe, his advocacy for affordable septic solutions resonates. Novak champions practicality, preferring infiltrator tanks and chambers. Be sure to read his harrowing tale as Novak recounts a terrifying incident involving a grain bin. Discover the innovative solution for water reuse in drought-prone regions, BioBarrier by Biomicrobics. From commercial properties to rebuilds, it offers high-performance membrane bioreactor technology for sustainability. Join us at Onsite Installer as we bid farewell to editor Jim Kneisel. Also join us in welcoming a new chapter under the guidance of Tim Dobbins, a skilled journalist with a keen understanding of the industry's challenges and a commitment to advancing its professionalism and expertise. Thank you, Jim. Enjoy your adventures. Embark on an inspiring journey with Turning Point Community Development Corporation as they overcome septic system challenges to deliver essential educational programs. Discover their innovative solution, featuring a customized wastewater system designed by Agri-Waste Technology and installed by Full Circle Environmental, ensuring community sustainability and success. Explore the latest innovations in wastewater management, from compact systems like Anua's Synergy BioCoir QuadMod to scalable solutions like Norweco's Modulaire. Discover state-of-the-art equipment such as Liberty Pump's Provor Grinder and Premier Tech's EcoFlow Biofilter with integrated UV disinfection. From California's groundbreaking regulations on direct potable reuse to Idaho's ongoing efforts to reinstate wastewater management programs, explore the diverse approaches to addressing water quality challenges. Case studies are a great way to see wastewater innovations in action. From Camp Akita's compliance-driven upgrade with EarthTech's Sabre SBR system to Sludgehammer's compact disinfection solution for humanitarian aid, discover how these systems tackle complex needs effectively. Dive into the world of wastewater treatment with a focus on oxygen transfer methods. From mechanical aeration to diffused aeration, explore the cutting-edge equipment revolutionizing treatment efficiency and environmental sustainability. Meet Jason Kramer, owner of A1 Septic on Lopez Island, Washington. With over 8 years in the industry, Jason's unique journey from county road crew to septic service provider is complemented by his innovative approach to equipment, including a 2001 International 9100 with a 3,600-gallon steel tank and National Vacuum Equipment Challenger pump. Getting on the pages of Onsite Installer begins with a simple email to editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.